Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to add a contact page in Squarespace. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to 1 minute. From your main menu, select pages and click on this plus icon and select page layouts and select contact and now select the layout. And you can change your contact page title from here. Now click on this gear icon and you can change navigation title. Also you can change URL slug. So I'm going to putting this contact very bottom. And now let's see how to change these fields or form. So click on edit, select form and click on this pencil icon. Select content tab. You can change form name. You can change button text. You can edit form fields. You can add a description and you can turn on off required. And to change the post submit, you can change message. So this was how we can add a contact page in Squarespace. If you think to see more Squarespace videos, please check the links in descriptions. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to How to 1 Minute. Thank you for watching.